hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something Evil Twin, aka replica. So if you don't like these types of videos, then please bye. But if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, compare bags, review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. Just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. So what did I purchase? It's a good amount of stuff, so let's just get started. Got a little bit of stuff. Can't even tell what it is, right? Oh, so I got some Evil Twin Gucci jeans. Let's look at that later. Here is the bag. Got some Chanel, Evil Twin style. So let's just open this up and I'll just put the camera facing down. It's not labeled at all, which is fine. Just like little tabs here. Wow. Talk about presentation. Okay, so here is the box in perfect condition. And it has Chanel paper. Here is the bag. The box is nice and clean, intact. So what did I get, folks? Yeah, so I'm wearing sweats today. I just didn't feel good. I actually took the day off. But I'm starting to feel better later in the day and this came. So here oh, there's the camellia. Wow, so soft. Very soft. Feels like a pet, like real petals. That's weird. But it's a cute little camellia flower. And there's stickers all around. And this is what I purchased. People! Yes, another Iridescent Evil Twin bag. This is the Chanel. This is the Chanel 19 flat bag. It is the smallest size, I believe. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but that is what I believe. Wow, it is so soft. A bit shocked that it's so soft. Or maybe I'm just shocked because I haven't purchased an Evil Twin lately and it looks amazing. I always seem to get surprised. I'm just shocked. Like, I get shocked that, you know, typically authentic this would cost a couple $1,000 and I just spent a couple hundred. Anyway, this looks really good. The double C's. And it matches the chain. The metal matches the chain, which is important to me because I had one that did not match the chain. And here it is, stuffed with more Chanel tissue. Oh, it has all the paperwork. But it's not about that, is it? It's about this beautiful bag. Oh, more ribbon. Oh my goodness. So there's the inside. Here's a Chanel inside right there. It's a squishy, squishy bag. It says Chanel on the zip tab. If it is focusing, I have no idea if it's focusing. This is new camera. And this is where the authenticity card is incorrect. Hologram means it's not correct, which I don't mind. And there is a code. Oh! Inside the bag. Whoa. Here is the chains. Let's check this out. Okay, so get this chain first. And it's gorgeous. Wow. It sits good too. And it matches. I don't like when like this doesn't match the color, and it should, and it does. It has a little tag, Kai, and it has this like matted gold or aged gold. It's not very aged. It looks more matted. I'm gonna remove this, and the leather is really soft, very soft. As you can see, it has like some gunmetal type chain here, and then it gets shiny here. As you can see, there's a transition between the gunmetal and then the shiny metal. and there is another transition to the gunmetal, and then it transitions into the matted gold. So that's the bag, and I noticed, wow, it's a heavy chain. It's a good chain. This has a protector on it, as you can see, and I shall remove it, and it does say Chanel. Right. And the color inside of the bag is like a light, very faint light blue. I think they try to do an iridescent inside, but it comes off like a very, very light blue. This is a beautiful freaking bag. Like, it's a squishy bag. You can see the quality is very gorgeous. It is squishy like there is no tomorrow. It's very soft, very beautiful, and very roomy. It's a small bag, but it's still very, very roomy. I love it. I didn't think I was gonna love it this much, because I wasn't too, I don't know. I guess I just wasn't in love with the Chanel 19 online and on Instagram, but having this now, I'm kind of liking it. So forgive me, I am wearing sweats because I'm supposed to be sick today, but I unboxed this video for you guys. So it fits me right here at crossbody. I am 5'4". You can see it fits like this if I do a shoulder bag. Again, I'm 5'4", and I am not dressing up for y'all. I'm not from the South, I just like saying y'all, but crossbody, it fits really good, as you can see. And I purchased these Gucci jeans, and I hope they fit. You know, a lot of us gained weight during COVID. I think I gained like 5 pounds, I forget. But I've had to purchase these because they are sold out everywhere, and I wanted the patch jeans. I love bell-bottom style, I don't know why, but here they are. This is the Gucci jeans. These are Evil Twins. And if it was authentic, I'll go for like $900. I believe I got these for under $200. It's very nice. It has Gucci on the little tabs here, and the button says Gucci. Yeah, this there. Here it is, everybody. I think it's so cute. I really got out of my sickness. I just paired up with, like, I don't know. I still don't feel good, so I just have a shirt on with these cute, super high-waisted pants. I'm 5'4". I have no shoes on. Let me put these shoes on. I am liking it with these. These jeans go really cute with flats. I think the authentic ones are longer, and that's why I did get the Evil Twins, because I know for sure that they're gonna make the legs inseam shorter. But this is how it looks, folks. Really cute and comfy with these flats. Will I wear them? Heck yeah. I'm still kind of sick, so I'm going to the bedroom. I forgot to show the tag. It includes this nice Gucci tag. That patch is really nice. Oh my god, this bag is so gorgeous. I can't get enough of your funky stuff. Anyway, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a beautiful bag. The jeans fit perfectly, and I don't feel sick anymore. This is a very dysfunctional medicine. This is medicine. This is more of a drug, right? It's an addiction to these luxury designer stuff. Just to show you the Evil Twins, oh my god. Every time I receive a really good top quality one, which I do because I stick to my seller, it amazes me. It totally amazes me. And it makes me want to stop authentic, and then I'll pick back up and buy authentic, and then I'll stop. But hey, in the end, you save money and invest the rest of your money. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful day, and talk to you soon. Bye.